ಕರುಣಾಳುವ ಬೆಳಕೆ ಮುಸುಕಿದೆ ಮಬ್ಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸೆನ್ನನು.
वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था. ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था. ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे. तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
Standing before you and speaking on this 75th Indian Independence Day. So ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. So my dear students, ask yourself what best you can do for your institution, or what best you can do for your nation, or what best you can do for yourself, and bring the best in yourself. So as we all know that we gained independence on August 15, 1947 from British, and since then August 15 has been observed as Indian Independence Day.
Respected Sister Anthony-amma, correspondent of the institution, respected Principal Sister Alex Rani, St. Joseph's Composite PU College, Madikeri, highly efficient staff of the institute, it gives me immense pleasure to greet all the students, Josephites, who are celebrating the 75th Independence Day. I can see the excitement backed by the unfurling tricolor, surrounded by the patriotic song Vande Mataram. On this day, we gratefully remember our freedom fighters and martyrs whose sacrifices have enabled us to live in an independent nation. We are fortunate that Mahatma Gandhi became the guiding light of our freedom movement. As much a saint as a political leader, troubled by social strife, economic problems and climate change, the world seeks relief in Gandhiji's teachings. His quest for equality and justice is the mantra for this day. I am glad to see the younger generations of yours to rediscover Gandhiji. The celebrations of the Independence Day this year is rather restrained. The reason is obvious. The whole world confronts a deadly virus which has disrupted all activities and taken a huge toll. It has altered the world we lived in before the pandemic. The nation is indebted to the corona warriors, the doctors, the nurses and other health workers who have been continuously on the forefront of a fight against this virus. Unfortunately, many of them have lost their lives battling the pandemic. They are our national heroes. All corona warriors deserve high praise. They go much beyond their call of duty to save lives and ensure the essential services are provided to you day in and day out. Committed to taking care of our people stranded anywhere in the world, the government has brought back more than 10 lakh people under the Vande Bharat program. My dear students, as you witness all of this, what is your contribution to the nation? To the college, how worthy are you towards your teachers and your parents and the society? Respectful toward the comrades, you have a lot to offer to the global community, especially as an intellectual, disciplining oneself for the promotion of world peace. With this spirit, I offer a prayer for the well-being of one and all. May all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is auspicious, may no one come to grief. I wish you all the best and in your future endeavors. Jai Hind and God bless.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा है वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन, है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन, है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन.
Swaraj is my birthday and I shall have it. The word Swaraj tells us about independence. Swaraj calls us to be free. We shall use this freedom to walk in the right path, to choose the right place and to do the right. Jai Hind.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our soul. Let us salute the nation on this Independence Day. A very happy Independence Day to all the dignitaries present here. It's my great pleasure to thank you all on such a great day. I thank this institution, St. Joseph's PU College, Madikeri, for giving us the opportunity for exhibiting our talents. I thank our pride, Colonel Chetan Diwan, for attending the program, spending the time with us and encouraging the students. Thank you, sir. Your speech was very inspirational and mind-catching. Thank you once again, sir, for being here. I thank our principal, Sister Alex Rani, for providing us a platform to showcase our talents. Thank you, sister. I thank all my lecturers for supporting, helping us in every way. Thank you, dear lecturers. I thank my friends for giving an outstanding performance on such a great day. Thank you, dear friends. Let us see our national flag flying high on the emblem till the end of our life. Let me conclude my vote of thanks with a quote: 1,000 steps for a long journey begins with one step. 1,000 pages of novel begins with one page. So, let us begin our journey of patriotism with heartfelt love and patriotism. Thank you. Jai Hind.